Got the frost cloth already cut. Going to demonstrate covering it. The important part is making sure that it's secure to the ground. The ground is actually what provides the heat, and what we're doing is we're creating a microclimate around the plant by trapping the heat coming from the ground and any water that's in the ground. So what she's doing right here is basically stapling it to the ground to prevent the air from coming up in there. Securing it to the ground is really important, especially for if we have any wind, which we usually do with these northerns. A hammer will work. You can use a mallet if you've got one. If you hit a rock, just move the staple off to the side a little bit. Having a little bit too much extra frost cloth is going to be a little bit more important than having not enough. If you don't have enough, you can overlap it and kind of sew it together. But in this case, we've got plenty enough to cover the plant. Again, make sure you've got it completely secured to the ground. So the warmth from the earth combined with the extra deep watering is going to provide enough heat. We should be able to get about 10 degrees of extra heat for the plant. So we're expecting about 22 degrees tonight. That 10 degrees is going to bring us right up to the freezing point, which should be enough to protect our plants. Like I said, if you hit a rock, don't worry about it. Just move the staple over a little bit. Hit a rock right there. Now it's going down just fine. And one more staple. Trying to make sure that none of that air, that cold air, basically what we're doing is protecting the plant, making a little microclimate, protecting it from that cold air on the outside. And that's it. There's your frost cloth wrapped plant. And it's going to let light through, so if your plant still needs light, if it's still got foliage, you should be fine.